Hey friends, welcome to my channel in Phone Tech. Today I'm going to compare ZTE AXON 10 Pro 5G versus Samsung Galaxy S10 5G. Let's start. In ZTE AXON 10 Pro, you will get 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. Other side S10 5G, you will get 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. If we talk about the display, ZTE AXON 10 Pro 5G has 6.4-inch Full HD AMOLED display and Galaxy S10 5G has 6.7-inch Quad HD plus dynamic AMOLED display. Let's see the difference in front camera. ZTE AXON 10 Pro 5G has 20 megapixel front camera and other side Galaxy S10 5G has 10 megapixel plus TOF dual front camera. Let's give a look on processor and chipset. ZTE AXON 10 Pro has 2.8 GHz octa processor and Snapdragon 855 chipset. Other side, Samsung Galaxy S10 5G has same 2.8 GHz octa processor. If we talk about the chipset, it's according to country. By some country you will get Exynos 9820 and some country you will get Snapdragon 855. Now I'm going to talk about rear camera. ZTE AXON 10 Pro 5G, you will get 48 megapixel plus 20 megapixel plus 8 megapixel triple rear camera, and other side Samsung Galaxy S10 5G you will get a quad rear camera 12 megapixel plus 12 megapixel plus 16 megapixel plus TOF quad camera. Now I'm going to talk about some other features. Both have a Android 9.0 Pie and both have a 5G and 4G, also Bluetooth 5, and both have a dual SIM. Now talk about the GPU. ZTE AXON 10 Pro has Adreno 640 and other side S10 5G GPU is according to country wise. Some country will get a Mali G76 MP12 and some country will get Adreno 640. Now talk about the fingerprint sensor. Both smartphones have fingerprint sensor in display. Now we talk about the battery. ZTE AXON 10 Pro 4000 mAh non-volatile battery with fast battery charging and also KEYone wireless charging. Other side you will get a 4500 mAh non-volatile battery with fast battery charging and also fast wireless charging. Now we're going to talk about price. ZTE AXON 10 Pro 5G price, expected price 54,000 in India rupees and 750 in US dollar, and other side S10 5G expected price 90,000 in India rupees and 1,250 in US dollar. Thanks friends for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for new video.